Here we have a 1977 Chevrolet Nova, a classic compact from the era when Chevy was shifting away from pure muscle and moving toward practicality, yet still keeping that unmistakable American style. This one shows around 50,000 miles, and what immediately stands out is how clean the body is. No rust, solid structure, and a surprisingly well-preserved red-on-red interior that really screams late 70s design. Now, what makes this Nova interesting is its current state. The engine has been removed, but the automatic transmission is still in place. For a lot of classic car enthusiasts, that's not a setback. It's an open canvas. The 77 Nova originally came with several engine options, from the inline-six all the way up to small block V8s. So whether someone imagines restoring it to factory specs or building a modern Restomod, the platform is flexible. From a technical standpoint, Novas of this generation are known for simple suspension geometry, easy-to-find parts, and straightforward wiring. That makes them great starter classics for anyone wanting to learn mechanical work. And historically, the Nova nameplate carries weight. It's the car many families drove daily, and it's also a favorite for grassroots drag builds. As always, what fascinates me most is imagining where this Nova has been. 50,000 miles means it still has many stories left to tell. And seeing it now, waiting for its next heartbeat, it reminds us how every classic car isn't just a machine. It's a project, a memory, and a chance to create something new. Every project car has a past, but what we build next is entirely up to us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next classic adventure.